Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is rain overlay in three different format, one JPG, PNG and PSD for Photoshop user, and this file is protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy it now for lifetime access. Okay, here is 20. All are high definition. You see here 2.94 MB, 5000 by 5000 pixel. Same thing is here in PNG 20. In high definition you see 9.64 MB, 5000 by 5000, and here is PSD 450 MB for CS6 user or CC plus user. Open this. You see here in layer area, extract this one. Here is two different, that's mean here is total 40 overlay. Depend your own choice. You can see here one by one. Last is background. No, and here is JPG. For example, open this one. High resolution photo. Okay. Convert to 2000. We need a photo. This one here is already snow, but I apply this one. Click on lightning. Here is lightning, screen, color or overlay. Oh, screen is better. That's here is rain start. Okay, and same thing is PNG. Oh, you see rain is here. Enter. No. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah.